Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. Today in this video, I will share details about Golden Globe Awards 2021 nominations, specifically about Marvel and DC actors, for which film or series they are nominated for, and prediction about nominations are mentioned in this video. Before we start the video, if you want more such daily updates, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon of MDCZ. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. In 78th Golden Globe Awards 2021, some Marvel and DC actors were nominated in different categories for their project apart from Marvel and DC universes. There are also some rumored nominations. I have mentioned all of them in this video. Let's start with DC actors. Our favorite Joker is nominated. Now you may think which one? Jared Leto has been nominated for a Best Supporting Actor role for his project The Little Things. We know that he is an excellent actor. Now let's move on to the next DC actor, Ben Affleck. He is predicted to be a nominee for Best Actor in Motion Pictures for his project The Way Back. He already nominated 3 times for Golden Globe Awards and won 2 times. Now let's move on to the Marvel actors. First, our Wakandan King, Black Panther starrer Chadwick Boseman is nominated for Best Actor in Motion Pictures Drama for his project Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. We all knew that he has done a fabulous job as Black Panther, but apart from this, he was a wonderful actor who gave us lots of wonderful projects. This is his first time to get nominated in Golden Globe. Second, our War Machine means Don Cheadle is also nominated for Best Actor in Television Series for Black Monday. After so many thankless guest appearances in TV drama and sitcoms, he gets the attention that he deserves. Third, our The Incredible Hulk, Bruce Banner actor Mark Ruffalo is also nominated for Best Performance by an Actor in a Limited Series, Anthology Series or Motion Picture made for television for his project I Know This Much Is True. Mark Ruffalo has given so many hits in his career. We MCU fans know him for our favorite Hulk, where he did a fabulous job. Now fourth and the last, it's an actress. Thor's sister is back. Thor Ragnarok villain Hela actress Cate Blanchett has been nominated for Best Performance by an Actor in a Limited Series, Anthology Series or Motion Picture made for television category for her project Mrs. America. I only knew her from Thor Ragnarok movie, but that's enough for me to understand how beautiful and wonderful actress she is. Cate Blanchett did a fabulous job as Hela, and we Marvel fans will never ever forget her name. She deserves this award. That's all actors details I have. If I miss anyone, please comment down below. I hope they'll win this award. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, share and be sure to subscribe to MDCZ. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe and be happy.